SSL for the 2024 Piracom Commissioner Dante M. Lantin Cup Istulen Olla Best Regin Boss Emang Ari outside war cannon in the middle portion Magtotobetski Don Julio is running up the tail of the field. We have Istulen Olla, the leader by a length. Boss Emang in second and in third war cannon Don Julio Ari outside fourth. And Magtotobetski now racing in last by about 5 to 6 lengths up the face. And it's still Istulen Olla goes on by half a length. On the outside second is Boss Emong. Warkanon still in third alongside for Don Julio. And Magtotobetski still running up the tail of the field. And it's still Istulen Olla by a length. Boss Emong still in second. And in third Warkanon Don Julio still in fourth. And Magtotobetski. But it's still Istulen Olla. Boss Emong Don Julio Ari outside. Istulen Olla still in front. Boss Emong Ari outside second. Don Julio. Then followed by Warkanon. Istulen Olla. Boss Emong keep on fighting it out for the leader. Boss Emong Ari outside. Istulen Olla is fighting back down on the inside. Istulen Olla. Boss Emong as the field turns for the